Detachable attachments. Holding on to attachments that's proven themselves or itself to be detached from you is a painful thing to swallow. Whether it's considered to be an attachable detachment or a detachable attachment, one of you may be wrong. So tell them to either attach or detach permanently. Either way, you're gone. Stop remaining a U-Haul service. Everyone will just rent you, abuse you, use you, and if you break down and or need repairs, those attachments that were just along for a free ride will detach right before your eyes. Haven't we seen this enough already? Learn when to let go, especially when they've never held on to you. Imagine being attached for decades and they don't even know your name. It'll take 10, 20 more years to realize that it is you that's living in that shame. Don't be afraid to detach what's attached to you. Lighten your feathers.